Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my toolbox. Simple. Got our battery charger, and then we got computer charge on it, a bunch of gloves, 3 9-volt batteries, smoke detector. This is supposed to be in here. There. Scissors. What is it? Level. Yeah, level. I know it's not perfectly level, but looks nice. Okay. 3 printed self switch, computer charger, smoke alarm, pencil, smoke detector, dust cover. Oh, just got through charging. There we go. 2 Milwaukee M12 batteries, 9 amp hour and 18 on this charger. Yeah, I think that's everything. Oh, bunch of LED stuff. Flathead screwdrivers. Okay. Hammer, X wrenches. My first hammer. Oh, this is supposed to be in here. Another laser level. Is that level? I don't care. Anyways, pliers. Sockets. More sockets. Oh, multi-bit screwdriver. Another 9-volt battery. Not supposed to be in here. Bunch of wire. My wire strippers. Voltage tester. Has a light on it from Killing Tools. Multimeter, some more stuff, wires, bunch of more electrical stuff, resistors in there and stuff, outlet tester, green. This almost burned down my house. Not going to talk about it. Oh, 124 volts? That's interesting. But, whatever. Nice wire strippers. Bunch of wire in there. Now last, this is the most interesting. Railway bits. M12 hacksaw. Used it before. Big. Never used it yet. Impact driver. It's my most favorite tool. Light. Make it magnet so you can hold it on the tile stuff. I don't know. Wrench. Impact wrench. Hammer drill. Some more bits. me talking what that is about. Resistors. Not supposed to be in here. Oh, these are notebooks. I am probably gonna get a bulldozer pack one day. And then I got my hacksaw blade somewhere in here. It's in a bag. I can find it. Hacksaw blades. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. Plastic box got in a fight with me. Plastic box with a hammer drill. Hammer drill eventually won, but got injured a little bit. Alright, that'll be it. Sorry for not posting a video in a while. You know, kind of busy with life. Alright. See you in the next one.